This book is a step-by-step guide for financial freedom. First, save $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. Then, pay off all debt except the house using the debt snowball. The next step is building a fully funded emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Then, invest 15% of household income into Roth IRS and pre-tax retirement. If you have kids, start saving for your children's college education. The next step will be paying off your home entirely. And the last step will be maximizing your wealth building opportunities by investing in mutual funds, real estate, or other assets. At the end of the book, you'll find the worksheets to start working on your budgeting plan. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing this Thursday at the LOB May session. RSVP today and see you Thursday.